Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to turn a selfie picture to become an Indian priest, and it is for free. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can install this UpFoto application first, and here you don't have to do the login first with your email guys. But if you are interested to get more benefit of it, so you can go to this pro version and you can select and choose your favorite package. There are the free trial that you can get the 3 days, and also the monthly package and also the annual package. And you are interested, then you can continue to do the payment guys. But if you are not interested, then it is okay to skip it out, but maybe there will be several advertisement during the process, and also the picture will be also stick with the watermark. Then if you are okay about it, then you can skip it. And let's get into the topic, since we would like to change the picture to be the Indian prince. Then after that, I will go to the trending category here. And after that, I will click see more. And I will searching for the category to be royal. As you can see that this up photo give you a lot of effect. And here we will find royal, and after that we will choose this one. As you can see that this Indian prince has really nice suit, and for example you can start to select a picture from this gallery, and for example I will choose this one. And after that you will have two option to generate with by what and also watching the advertisement, or if you don't want to watching the advertisement during the generation process, then you can upgrade it again to become the pro version. And after that you can follow the next instruction to save the photo, because the button will be on the top right corner. And I'm sorry in advance because I cannot record it, because I think that this UpFoto will not allow me. But don't worry guys, because I will show you the result after the generation process. And after waiting for a while to the generation process, so this will be the result guys. As you can see that this the boy in the previous photo has been generated into this very fashionable, and also with using the characteristic of the Indian prince. Isn't that cool, right? So don't forget to try this app photo into your device, and please let us know if this app also work in your device. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.